Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change Toyota Sienna brake pads, a common maintenance task. Before we begin, it's crucial to gather all your necessary tools. You'll need a reliable jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Also, make sure you have your new brake pads, a C-clamp or caliper compression tool, and some brake cleaner. Having everything prepared will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's get started on removing those old brake pads. First, safely lift your Toyota Sienna using the jack and secure it with 2 jack stands. Then, remove the wheel to expose the brake assembly. Next, unbolt the caliper, usually with 2 bolts, and carefully slide out the worn brake pads. Before installing the new ones, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing using a C-clamp or a dedicated caliper compression tool. This step is vital for fitting the thicker new pads. With the piston compressed, it's time to install your new brake pads. Carefully insert the new pads into the caliper bracket, making sure they sit correctly and are oriented properly. Then, reposition the caliper over the new pads and reinsert the 2 bolts, tightening them securely to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. Finally, spray all the brake components with brake cleaner to remove any grease, dirt, or brake dust, ensuring optimal performance and longevity for your new pads. You're almost done. Reattach the wheel, tighten the lug nuts, and then carefully lower your Toyota Sienna back to the ground. Before driving, get inside the vehicle and pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This action seats the new pads against the rotor and restores proper brake fluid pressure. Finally, take your vehicle for a short test drive at low speeds in a safe area to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your brake pads.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.